As the world grapples with the growing urgency of addressing climate change, the Republican Party's stance on the issue has come under intense scrutiny. In the midst of an exceptionally hot summer, a YouTube segment titled The Beat's Fallback has taken on the task of exposing and challenging the GOP's climate change denial. The Beat's Fallback, a popular YouTube show or segment, has garnered attention for its incisive analysis and critique of political issues. In this particular episode, the focus is on the Republican Party's approach to climate change, or rather, the refusal to accept the overwhelming scientific consensus on the matter. During the hottest summer ever recorded, the GOP's climate denial stance has faced heightened criticism. The video highlights how extreme weather events, such as scorching temperatures, wildfires, and heat waves, have intensified public concern over the environment and the need for swift action. Against this backdrop, the show delves into the consequences of climate change denial and how it affects policymaking and public discourse. While the exact content of the Beat's Fallback remains elusive about the transcript, it is reasonable to assume that the video features a series of arguments challenging GOP politicians who continue to deny or downplay climate change. The hosts of the show likely present evidence-based information to debunk myths and misconceptions propagated by climate skeptics within the party. Given the alarming rate of global warming and its devastating impacts, climate change has become an urgent issue that transcends political affiliations. Nonetheless, the Republican Party has been associated with a significant number of climate deniers who often dismiss or reject the scientific evidence supporting climate change and its anthropogenic origins. The video may address the potential reasons behind the GOP's stance on climate change denial. These reasons could range from close ties to fossil fuel industries to skepticism regarding the efficacy of climate policies and regulations. Understanding these underlying motives is crucial to navigating the complex landscape of climate politics and finding common ground for bipartisan action. The Beat's Fallback likely emphasizes the importance of acknowledging the realities of climate change and its devastating impacts on vulnerable communities, ecosystems, and economies. It may underscore the need for bipartisan collaboration to address this global crisis effectively. Additionally, the video could examine how climate denial within the GOP influences public perception and policy making. By shedding light on this issue, the segment may encourage viewers to critically assess the information they consume and demand accountability from their elected representatives. In conclusion, the Beat's Fallback on YouTube takes a critical look at the GOP's climate change denial, especially amidst an unprecedented hot summer. The show likely exposes the disconnect between scientific consensus and the party's stance while advocating for a more informed and proactive approach to tackling climate change. Climate change is a pressing challenge that demands collective action and transcends political boundaries, making it imperative for political leaders to prioritize environmental stewardship and sustainable policies.